Another Supercar Fail compilation is here, and it gets brutal fast. There's chaos, crashes, and a few clean saves too. Tap subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Let's get into it. I'm guessing the driver isn't a vegetarian. You never know what can happen on the road. Oh my God, I felt that impact all the way from my chair. Turning like that never ends well. A brand new license, no doubt. Not easy to control that Ferrari, and straight into the wall. What happened? All that oil leaking out. Despite the crash, no injuries, but the Ferrari is basically totaled. Is that a Ferrari F40? I could be wrong, but correct me if it is. Either way, it ends badly. Sometimes when I'm editing videos, I don't understand anything. This kind of collectible Ferrari has to be driven carefully. An unbelievably lucky escape for that McLaren. Definitely, Lamborghini seems to have a recurring problem with animals. Tunnels capture some unbelievable moments. Legend has it, this was the last shopping cart left at Costco. Here, the driver is 100% at fault. Tell me, why are Lamborghinis known for catching fire? The streets aren't enough anymore. Now these speed freaks are taking over the rooftops too. This is how you test a Ferrari's reliability. That engine is solid at least. The Mercedes G-Class isn't built for tight turns at high speed, otherwise it ends up in a very bad position. If you brake to avoid an obstacle, avoid changing lanes without looking. At high speed, even a small hit can throw you off course. Acting like an idiot to impress others doesn't always end well. Hard to control that Dodge Viper with its 8.4-liter V10. Having a fishy-colored BMW doesn't give you a superpower. Have you ever seen an Acrobat BMW? Lamborghini also gets its own face-to-face with the wall. Let's just say he parked it well. You can't park in the middle of the road. Uncontrolled overtaking is seriously dangerous for everyone. Clearly, those two have a score to settle. I don't think the cops will be far behind. Sliding around like that with a beauty like this can be risky and expensive, but this time it works out. Ending up like that in front of everyone is pretty rare.
Hey bro, you can't park there.
Damaging a Ferrari like that should be illegal. Hitting speed bumps like that can cause problems for super low supercars. When rain mixes with snow, a lot of problems show up. Don't take your Ferrari out on the streets of Italy. Goodbye, BMW, rest in peace. Same problem every time, sudden acceleration. Here's a Lamborghini that thinks it's Superman. They're built to be attracted to each other. I don't really know how Lamborghinis work, so I have to ask, what is that rear system that opens up? When I see this, I tell myself you shouldn't take a Lamborghini out in bad weather. Follow this Lamborghini closely and tell me what happened. Here's what happens when you play around on the road. Avoid it for your health and your wallet. Why do people with Porsches feel the need to pull these maneuvers and hard accelerations? It always ends badly. Even with that skid, this old Mercedes didn't feel a thing. A race against an Audi. Good idea? Two eternal rivals. This kind of showing off always ends badly. Lamborghini disappearing into the fog. Why drive here? Farmers have their own unique way of showing their anger. This Lamborghini lost control and started dancing in the rain. Nothing too serious, just a little roll, but don't drive like him. What car is that? I'd guess a Japanese one. Any ideas? Mixing up drive and reverse causes problems fast. Made it to the end, you're built different. Subscribe and click one of the next videos. It only gets wilder from here.